Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to locate the tech sheet schematic on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new part for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The tech sheet schematic is located behind the insulation on the back side of the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher. To remove, locate the retainers on either side of the panel. The access panel retainers are used to secure the access panel to the dishwasher's frame. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left to release the locking mechanism. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. With access to the back of the access panel, gently lift the insulation up to remove the tech sheet from the dishwasher. The tech sheet is specific to each model of dishwasher and typically includes technical specification, wiring diagrams, error codes, diagnostic procedure, troubleshooting tips, and other detailed information about the dishwasher's components and functionality. It helps a person working on the dishwasher to identify and troubleshoot issues, understand the inner workings of the appliance, and perform repairs effectively. If this helped you troubleshoot any problems on your dishwasher, let us know in the comments below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.